In this challenge, you gonna have to reverse an application to obtain a username and password. So if you can gain access to this username and password, that means you can access to a hidden flag that will required for a next level, go to the next level of our CTF. So you can see if we run this application, you can see it's asked for a username and password. So you have gonna have to find this username and password. So how to do that? You have to reverse this application. So for the reversing part, I'm going to use a hex editor. So I recommend you to use this hex editor or a GDB debugger. But I'm thinking it's more easier to if you use this hex editor for this application. So in this hex editor, you can see I already load up the application to this hex editor, and you can see the data offset of this application. So in here, what I'm really going to do, I have to understand what's the basic concept behind in this application. So you can see that if I enter a username or a password, it's going to check. So there's some check-in mechanism going on this application. So I have to find that mechanism under under in this data overlay. So you can see that there's something called in here. You can see that uh, that UX data set, it's already in here. So this is the one user going to see if he entered a wrong password or correct password. So in here you can see it's checking that username with some kind of keyword. So what is this? This most probably be the username of our this application. So let's find out. Let's enter this username and let's find out this is the username of this what we need. So you can see that this is the username of the application we require. So the same thing goes with the password. So you can see there's also some kind of word. So let's going to enter this. I'm going to enter this word, and let's find out this will be the password. So you can see it's not the correct password. So what's the difference? You can see that in here, this is what I told, that if you use a debugger, you can easily find out what's really happening in here. But in here, you can, if you analyze this, you can see there's some kind of word shifting happening in here. So it's already the some meaningful word. So if you translate this is something that why so serious. So so this something they reverse it in here using some function. So if you really want to find out this, you can use a debug, but this is the way easier. You just can't find out this is something that not in correct order, so you have to correct it, and then you have to enter it in the interface. So you can see after that, after we enter this in interface, is doing some verification, and then you can find out that the flag that we need required for the next level. But this also for this uh, flag, you this in base64, so you're gonna have to decode this, and then get the correct format to next level flag.